So 2022, busy year in the Karl Auto Group. Tell me some of the key things that we did this year.
Oh, wow. Well, start with Glidden. You know, what a neat facility. It looks like much more than a pre-owned building, which it is, and they do servicing and everything there. And then, of course, we had Story City, and what a neat community to be part of. And
opened the new building beginning of last year in Webster City, moved just down the road, so that was great. Capped it off in Marshalltown. So new Buick GMC building that opened there. And I think we've only got one more left to build, so 2023, I think maybe we could slow down construction a little bit, but I think we've got one more, right? Is that correct, in Marshalltown?
Yeah, one more building, the Dodge, Chrysler, Ram, Jeep building, and they've got the footings going for that, and it'll be going up pretty soon.
You know, 2022, another busy year at the Karl Auto Group. I think, you know, when we kicked off the year, it was you know, more dealerships to serve more Iowans, and I think we got off on the right foot this year, and looking forward to a good 2023.